my beautiful people out there, what's up? I hope you guys are having an amazing day, or I should say productive day. And please guys, stay home, stay safe. Unless and until there is some important work which needs to be done, please don't go out of the house. Take care of your elders and just maintain the protocols and be safe. Alright, now this video is solely dedicated to all the pizza lovers out there. I have with me Iceland margherita pizza with mozzarella cheese. Now this is the frozen pizza, ready to eat frozen pizza. How cool is that? I only heard of frozen pizza in Japan, Korea, I guess on the European states and America as well. They have lots of frozen pizzas, but in Kolkata, I think this is the first time, and at least for me, it is the first time that I'm seeing a frozen pizza. If you know about frozen pizza, any brand which has entered the market, then please let me know in the comment section, because I'm eager to know more about this frozen pizza concept. Now, well, the frozen pizza is just like the frozen ready to eat meals. You just have to bake it, you have to bake it in an OTG or in a pan, and the pizza will be ready to relish. So the brand is Iceland, and I have chosen the margherita pizza. For a pizza in $100, that's a deal, guys. And margherita pizza is safe because it has only tomato, cheese and some spices and nothing else. So safest option to try out, or rather, or to say more properly, experiment. So coming to the brand, well, this is how the packaging looks like. It looks quite good. I love the color coordination, the resemble of the pizza and the green color giving a very earthy vibe to it. And it is vegetarian, of course it is vegetarian because it is margherita pizza. It is seasoned with basil and oregano. And it is suitable for cooking on pan. The net weight is 180 grams, and as you have seen, the price is $99. Well, so let's check the ingredients or the back portion. Oh my god. Okay, so it is difficult to read, guys. So it has a pizza base, refined wheat flour, edible vegetable oil, iodized salt, baker's yeast, acidity regular, sugar, emulsifier, pizza topping, mozzarella, potato starch. All the ingredient list are mentioned over here. Here is the nutritional value is given, and there are two sachets, one seasoning sachet which is the crushed red chilies, and two sachets of spices herb which contains mainly of oregano, pepper and basil. Okay, so they have three small packets, sachets of herbs and chili flakes. So if you love chili flakes, you can add chili flakes to it. Then it contains added flavors. The name is mentioned over here. FSSAI, and yeah, allergy information. It contains wheat, gluten, milk. So those who are allergic to gluten or milk, please don't buy it. Now here are given the instructions. Well, you can cook it in a pan. You just need to cover the pan with the lid and cook it at the lowest flame for 12 to 16 minutes. And for oven, just preheat for 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 12 to 14 minutes. So this is all about the packaging. Now let's just open it and see the inside of it.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can't tell the same. And I know when you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know when you know all the things that broke us.
Okay, well, the pizza looks quite good. You can see the strips of mozzarella cheese all over it, and there are indeed, well, the size of the pizza looks quite good. Regarding the thickness, well, I mostly prefer a deep crust, or normal crust, not thin crust. So it is not that much of thin crust. So yes, kudos to that, because I love this kind of pizza. I don't prefer thin crust pizza, to be honest. So yeah, let's just cook it or bake it, and I'll be back. And there are indeed 3 sachets. One is the hot chili flakes and the oregano and spice. Oh yes, and before jumping into the video, let me just clear the fact that this is not a sponsored or paid video. I have purchased this product. Okay guys, let's jump.
I see how the way you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy. A place.
It's almost 13 minutes, so I'll put it off.
I'll be so deep. Out of you in my fantasy.
Guys, I am back with the pizza, and trust me, it looks good and it smells good. I've sliced it down into 8 pieces. Let's just dig into it because I can't wait. It looks incredible. So let's dig in.
Even know why we're still on the opposite side. Maybe we're crossing love.
Wow guys, you saw the stretch, right? That cheesy pull stretch. It tastes really good. A bit of salt is needed because I think it is a little bit under seasoned, but the cheese, the taste of the cheese, the bread, it's so good and it looks so fresh, as if I've just ordered an online pizza from a pizza shop. Let me just add oregano and chili flakes and then have it.
Oh, you would make me cry. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke.
Oops, too much. So I have oregano and chili flakes, so let's have it. It tastes brilliant. Although one thing that I need to mention is that by adding the oregano spice sprinkler, the pizza becomes a bit salty, so I would suggest don't add the oregano, add the chili flakes. It's not like that it doesn't taste good. The pizza is itself really good, but yes, a bit under seasoned. But if you add the oregano, it will become a bit salty, so make sure you add according to your requirement. And the chili flakes. Now coming to the margarita flavor, well, margarita usually has a tomato base and the cheesy factor. Well, I am definitely getting the cheesy factor, but regarding the tomato base, well, I'm not getting that tomatoey feeling, so a bit more of the tomato, you know what I'm saying, right? So that I needed a bit of the tomato sauce in it. Otherwise, the pizza is absolutely great. It's soft, it's thick crust, just the way I like it. If you are a fan of thick crust pizza like me, this one is definitely for you. I will recommend it 100% to you guys. It is great. If I come to the price, well, for 100 rupees, it is a steal, guys. Trust me, Iceland, the brand did a really good job. 100 rupees, a margarita pizza, hats off. You can have it anytime you like and whenever I feel like, whether it is morning, evening, night, midnight craving, I can have pizza anytime, anywhere. This margarita pizza is definitely worth a try. So guys, I hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up button because it will encourage me and motivate me to create more content for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any update, any video. And if you have tried out this brand, then let me know in the comment section what are your views regarding it. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye guys. Love you. And have a pizzalicious day at home.